Can you imagine being the person that has to walk around and count all this, making sure it's always stocked?
I don't think that's right. There's not someone here counting all day.
Yeah, there is. Otherwise, what? The beverage fairy?
The process is actually pretty interesting. You're a grown-up, so I'm sure you know this. But in a factory where that's made, there are thousands of sensors carefully monitoring every stage of production. That makes the product better, and it detects equipment issues that a technician can fix before something breaks and stops the whole operation. Beyond that, every bottle is given a unique ID that allows it to be tracked from the factory to the cash register so that the stores know to keep the shelves full, and the factory learns when to ramp up production.
Yeah, that sounds right.
These are good.
Get the juice box.
You have one. There's one in the
Get
cart.
one more. I am convinced these buttons don't do anything. There's the illusion of control, but really, the light is going to change when light wants to change.
That's a great question.
I don't think I
We
asked.
took the zettabytes of data we were already gathering from millions of sensors and devices around the city, and we started organizing and learning from it. Now we optimize how we route buses and trains. Our city agencies share the data, and everyone involved is better informed.
So I was right about the button.
Well, no, it is part of the collected data, but it goes beyond that. Our smart infrastructure management identifies exactly when one of these bad boys needs maintenance and automatically schedules it for repairs during a light traffic time.
Whoa, all that so we can cross the street?
You have about 6 seconds left in this cross cycle.
I got it.
My car runs on old dinosaurs. That's crazy. Somehow, from the distant grave
The
to my
work we
car...
do to get the oil, from the ground to your pump spans multiple continents and billions of sensors and devices attached to drills, pumps, pipes, scales, and trucks. The software and processing power we use allows us to analyze and watch this data in real time. With that kind of insight, we can predict and prevent equipment problems anywhere in the supply chain and fix them before they fail.
Okay.
We forgot to put fruit salad on the list. Why can't the fridge just take inventory and make a list for us?
But that can happen. We just need to update our fridge. You see, based on constant sampling of its circulating air, the fridge could already know when we're down to the last apple, the milk is 3 days from going bad, or the last Lunchable has been eaten. It can also tell by rapid temperature fluctuation that we open the fridge way too often. So, in an effort to stop us from grazing, it recommends a good book to occupy our time. It's also monitoring how much water passes through our purifier. So if we're not drinking enough, it declines our credit card the next time we try to buy soda. And based on how often it senses ice cream barcodes in the freezer, it automatically adds a workout to our calendars. Then, the next time we're 2 miles from a grocery store and not driving in a manner that indicates we're frantically late for something, it simply texts our grocery list.
Yeah. None of that is real.
Not yet. Not yet.